Hi guys, and welcome to my new tutorial about ORCAD Capture-C software. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a new project, how to add a new library, and what is a page that you can use in your project. So suppose that you have to implement some electronic scheme that contains a few LEDs, for example a blue and a red one, and few resistors, a switch, a capacitor and a power supply. So first of all you want to draw your circuit, and you can use a pen and a paper, but it actually lacks of some common properties that this software allows us to use. So let's begin. So first of all you have to download this software. I will leave you some links below so you can download the ORCAD Capture-C, the light version or the full version as you like. And for us to start a new project, click on File, New Project. And now you may have a name for your project, I don't know, something like My First Electronic Project. Okay, something like this. You may also change it as you like. Click on the schematic and here choose the location you want your project to be located at. Click OK. And now you have your new project. You can see it in here, my first project .opj, and you can see it under the schematic number 1. Okay, the schematic number 1 will contain some pages, just as you will have in your real life. You have a pen and a paper, you want to draw some schematics, for example like this electronic scheme on your paper, and this is just the page 1. So first of all we want to rename it. I would like to rename the schematic 1 for My Electronic Project. Okay, and this page is actually will contain the electronic scheme, the drawings of this scheme, as we would use a pen and a paper. So it actually contains some LEDs, so let's call it something like this. Let's rename it and call it LEDs project page, something like this, I don't know. Click OK. And as in real life, these pages in this software actually allows you to change their sizes. Okay, so right click on this and click the schematic page properties, and now you can change the size of the page just like in real life. You can draw it on a small page or on a big page, it doesn't matter. So you have here the units in inches and millimeters, just choose the one you like, and we are going to use the new page size A. Click on A, click OK, and now we can see the page. It is located in here, LEDs project page. Okay, and in the right bottom corner you can see that you can modify the title of the page, the size of the page, the document number. You can check the revision, and you can see the timestamp where this project was created, when this page was created actually. So now what we have is a blank page that actually does not contain anything about our electronic scheme, and no other components seems to appear on it. So the first question that we want to ask is, where do we get those components, those resistors and those capacitors? So to answer this question, we have built-in libraries that this software proposed for us, but we actually are going to create our own library with our own components that we are going to use for our project. Okay, because we want to learn how to create a new library and the new parts for this library, because not all the components that you may want to use in your project are also located in the built-in libraries. So first of all, let's go back to the project. Okay, click on File, New Library, and now you can see that a new library has been created for you, And in this library, we are going to locate and we are going to create in there the components of this electronic scheme, the resistors, the capacitors, the LEDs, and so on and so forth. So, first of all, make sure that the library is located at the same directory as your project, okay? So you can use their components. Right-click on the library, click Save As, and make sure that the location is actually the directory that's specified for your project. Click Save. So guys, not all at once, and I want to summarize what we have learned so far in this video. So first of all, now you know how to create a new project, you know what is a page and how to change some page properties, and also you know how to create a new library that you can create new parts and locate it in this library. So in the next video we are going to create a resistor. We are going to draw it, we are going to implement it, and we are going to see how we can use it in our scheme. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.